Hey, it's School Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Dorval. Looks like I got a CP freight. Auto racks. As well as this Via Rail Siemens train sitting here waiting to leave. At about 3:45 p.m. Lots of auto racks with loaded auto racks, actually, with a lot of cars in them. There will be another locomotive in here somewhere. Here on a Sunday afternoon, the 25th of February 2024. Those are wheels. So this train seems to be a lot of auto racks, a lot of tanker cars, and a few surprises too. This will be heading into St. Luke Yard unless there's a whole ton of double stacks sitting on the back of this train, which I don't know if that's going to be the case. And there you can see that the Siemens train is still in its station stop. And here comes the DPU. There appears to be a AC 4400 CWM, I believe, repainted, rebuilt, I think. And behind me, that Siemens train is waiting to go. Here it goes. Here's some interesting flat cars. And a whole ton of Gons here. Good that I was able to get both trains, at least partially the Siemens train. There'll be an EXO train at 4:10, which is what I'm going to take probably. And that's the end of the train right there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.